The decentralized exchange aggregator 1inch has a sour surprise for US residents. And the sour surprise is, can you not? Because they're apparently basically banning US residents from using the platform. I came across this article from cryptoslate.com that reports that 1inch is geofencing US IP addresses. And they're also making way for a United States specific product. Now, my knee-jerk reaction to this, I mean, obviously, first of all, was, government is at it again. But besides that, it's kind of souring to me, at least, not just being restricted from using the platform as a US resident, but also being restricted from that before the US product is ready. I mean, that's what this article is saying. They're saying, like, it's not ready now. It will be ready. Imagine if you're eating some pizza and you really like this pizza. It's delicious. You have a slice on your plate, you have a slice in your hand, and you're eating it. And then all of a sudden the waiter comes by and they're like, sir, give us all your pizza. You can't eat that. We're going to give you a different pizza in like an hour. And I'd be like, yo, I'm eating it right now. Can I just keep eating this pizza until you bring me the other pizza? That seems reasonable. Maybe I'm crazy. Now, 1inch is actually a really cool service because it kind of acts as the Kayak for decentralized exchanges, where Kayak took all of the flight and hotel pricing websites like Priceline and Expedia and like took all of those and then showed you the lowest across those platforms. 1inch is doing the same thing, but for decentralized exchanges. So if you want to make an exchange between two different cryptocurrencies or two different tokens, then 1inch would say, oh, this decentralized exchange has a better rate than that decentralized exchange. So the protocol is going to carry out that exchange for you through the 1inch platform without even visiting that other exchange. It's pretty cool. It's routing things intelligently to save people money. I like saving money, especially on fees, because Ethereum fees, they be high these days. Now, naturally, I would guess that the government is doing this to protect the investors and citizens, but like not being able to use a service at all while waiting for a US qualified service to launch is a little irritating, to say the least. Can we even still call 1inch decentralized if these types of centralized decisions can be made? You tell me, what's the line between decentralized and centralized, and how does this news come off to you? Let me know in the comments. Follow, like, subscribe, bye.